Like a sunbeam hidden behind clouds, her voice existed in the world of music. But her heart, ashamed of her own body, hid backstage. People heard her voice, but no one saw her. The fame and applause were shared with a fake smile. In the empty corridor, she carries her secret love. A look on the verge of tears leaves a sharp pain. She walks alone on the city streets, her heart wounded. The pain only deepens her resentment. I will reach my dream, not just with my voice, but with my body too, she decides. She embodies her inner desires in her outer appearance. Each determined step makes her a new person. The stage lights greet her. This is not just a story about a voice, but about self-confidence.